Tombwata mangana berengo kwana. First, interagenderera. I know, and I want to give my sincere apology. Really, Father, 10 minutes, you can destabilize all the county employees. Tenena, it's a mole. The county employees, vacha kusindikisa moja. Mwarole balibaralia, balina county employees. Nande moga sakora una bara nje ya bange madenga na bagitutu boka. Abande bara kuruma choge bubasi na rolo munjali yomo. Diamono sana. Thank you for coming. I would have given you an opportunity to speak, but you understand, Father said we don't have the time. Pinto vivere. Gesa chikura chiera. Na nyango changanje ko bakera mbiamono. Ikiagera muangete chikura. So it's been limiting yetano kunyakora utoka. Gocha gojande ntale kire wodi ya botutu bonjali bobasi omachoge na South Mugirango. Lakini nale ko tebambia mono. Eso ko ngali baga na ande mugansika mukanga libaga mbakorere gasi. Ese bali mumanye mutamanyeti egasi yane ese gusi bono nije nyapara yekibeza cheno chibilioni chiwo cha gusi kire 14. Gasi yane no goeta check make sure unabone binde bikwaiwa governor akwana talienya gitali eyoka na abegete nyamarambe ukabeka gesusu ukabeka. There's another one, Masimba, I think. Kenyanya, nyakitali nchiro. Ega asiane, ngo etande. Chinyakitali echi, ebinte bikuwa boli governor. Na ande nabokuwa machikongo, sa kwa machiko soundinga inche nkuruwani hapa ketutu na nimaete. Kwa wapolite ngwata keto watawanga nsimba. So, tigante visimba, gai kiakaranga inde. Boke tutunde. Father, I'll say this after listening to your speech. I am not going to complain about Simba as a governor. You gave us the mandate. Now what a mandate, what you want is for us to work. So I'm going to ask him, we work. He's a very difficult man, but he's a young man. I will talk to him again. If he refuses, then I'll come and tell you, Father, he has refused. Ninja komoletere usurumu nyale. Na rongo asaba. Uya mangane Biblia. Let us not be vindictive. Let us not say we cannot talk with each other. Father, I promise you, I will sit na abanta babaito onsi be county adibao kolegasi. I will tell them abana inchi sky gendo batete niki gasi ekono. Governor James Ongwae, I will tell you the truth. It is true. There has been a deliberate, systematic program. Yo watema raise issues yo abantu gete barabange county abande bali getu Ongwae abande ki. I want to make an announcement here. I am in the county government system. I am the senator. Mondo tayo wajikoteba. N'abantu barachi gosu waka bakubutwa wikakare twesemeti ngetio nije ngogetia amangana pending bills agusi. I am going to persuade Simba onyoko watela n'abantu bagwene to waka nu 260 ono lindo takora kana 260 lagi ababande bawutigara wale 400 tumanya wanza koligere number 2. Again, do not tell me father mwano yo minto Simba. It's very simple. The government njatevete ningo wene to wakanu. A government is who? Auditor General, ESCC, DCI, and the county assembly must pass waiting on Arati. Why itagi role wakana pending bills? So, I mean, the way the guy was saying wrong. Oh, you know, my position is I tell my governor. Abuwa tevanga 260. Mbabuati any issues with you. Karaba kanabono. Kokora na bo tumanya wanza kukwana. Ekiagara na abo tali wakana. nandi nkondeta rwale ebintu byabe seneti nandi ngokorangeri tole goche seneti ocho batotebi buna batabone tukobaraki oneke Rwanda standing devolution ingonya uchande koli monto taiye county government omugaba nakobuta omonte county government igakobutu ne public service board a public service board yakoewa makoso rights yo monto somerwa ichiko lyabwatirwa omonto omanya kobutwa so omonto tayo obaragi